Good morning, students. Today I am going to revise estimating of products and quotients. Estimating of products and quotients. Estimating products and quotients. So dear students, like that sums and differences, this type of means products and quotients are something different. See, if you want to example first, as find out product of 87 multiplied by 4. So see this, if the digit is only single digit, so you don't round off, don't take round off. If the digit is 2 or more than 2, then you can take round off. And take care, if you have 2-digit number, so you take only the round off as taking 1-digit number, as tens, nearest to tens. I told already, you take only 1 digit last digit, means ones place, in 2-digit number. If digit is given 3 digit, you take 2 digit. If digit is given 5 digit, you take 4 digit. So in this way, in your sense, you can take round off. So 87 round off nearest to 10, you take round off nearest to 10, round off nearest to 10, so it will be 7 is more than 5, it will be 80, it will be 80, and 4 multiply by 4, 0 here, 4 is the 32. So 32 is estimated product. 320 is estimated product. 400, 4 is the 32. So 320 is estimated product. See another example. Another example. $589 multiplied by 15. Here 15 is 2-digit number. So now you can take as round off tens, but this one 3-digit number. So you can take round off 100, because 2-digit number you take from the last, and 1-digit number take from the last here, 2-digit number. So 15 taking round off nearest to 10, nearest to tens. It means 5 is equal to 5. So it will be complete next number, means 20, and 589 taking round off nearest to 100, taking round off nearest to 100, taking round off nearest to 100. So it will be complete the next, it will be 00, and 5 plus 1, 6, 600. So now product 600 multiplied by 20 is equal to 1230 and 2 6 the 12. 12,000. So 12,000 will be estimated product. So in this way, in the product as estimating products, you can do like this. One topic is estimating of quotients. Estimating of quotients, how can you do? As estimating quotients. How can you do? I am explaining here. Estimating quotients. Estimating quotients. It is different from products. It is different from sums and differences. Suppose to you must set up the compressible number. Compressible number as compressible number. You should convert the quotient. You should convert the numbers as divisor and dividend nearest to compressible number. Compressible number means the such number that can divide the dividend. That can divide the dividend. You see, this is 84. 84 divided by 7. 84 divided by 7. So in this way, 84 divided by 7. So you can take only this number as 84, estimating as compressible number, like that 80, and 7 will be 8 as compressible number. In the place of 7 as divisor, it will be 8. So 80 can be divisible easily by 8 and it will come 10. It will come 10. 8 hence the 80. So in this way, you can use as the compressible number for the division. Next, you can see $832 divided by 24 divided by 24. So here you can see this is not compressible, this is not divisible by 24. So you can use the compressible number as taking round of hundreds. You take round of hundreds as compressible number, as making compressible number. It will be 800 divided by as 24 by 24. It is not divisible as it cannot be reduced as till the remainder 0. So you can take compressible number 25. 24 after 25 by 25, 800 is divisible and remainder will be 0. So you can use 25. 25 is compressible divisor. 25 is compressible divisor than 24, and 800 is compressible number for dividend as divisible by 25. So you can divide this. Now estimated quotient. You can say estimated quotient. 25 3 are 75. 5 here, 25 to the 50, 32. So 32 is compressible quotient. In this way, you can understand some examples. Page on 21 as example number 19. So today you study example 19 and you complete self practice 1F. You complete self practice 1F. Self practice 1F you complete. If you feel any problem, you can ask me. And after that, you also revise yourself. Self practice 1G because it is very easy. I will also give some ideas as extension to large numbers, introducing 6 digit, 7 digit, and 8 digit number. But you can do yourself. There is no problem because you can use as the Indian place value chart, and you can do you can do exercise 1G. Exercise 1G yourself. You can do exercise 1G yourself. It is page number 23. It is very easy exercise. And exercise 1H also, it is very easy exercise. Some exercises are very easy, so you can do yourself. Okay. For today's class, thanks.